Sisilini, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka lagi and then enjoy your day. So, ilang taon ka na ba ngayon, Sisilini? Ayan, sana enjoy ka lagi at saka focus lang sa buhay mo, sa gusto mong buhay. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. And then, ayan, kailan ba yung uwi mo? Siguro, ayun, makakapag-asawa. Makakapag-asawa ka na niya pag uwi mo. Sana si Idol Sia na lang para happy kayong dalawa. Good luck sa inyong dalawa and then basta happy birthday. Happy birthday Sisilini. Thank you so much. Naging kaibigan kita dito sa YouTube. Nakilala kita, 'di ba? Ayan. Ang hangad ko sa iyo talaga maging happy ka sa araw na ito dahil ito ang iyong special day. Kantahan mo na kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sisilini. I love you, Sisilini. I love you so much and more birthday to come. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Ayan. What's up everyone? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and the whole world. Saan makinda ako ng mundo dito na nanonood inyong lingkod for today's video. Ayan. So, meron lang akong i-greet guys. My friends, nakilala ko siya sa larangan ng YT. Kasama namin sa isang team supportive. Oh yeah. Ayan, so Sisi Koy, Lenny, I want to greet you a happy birthday and more success and God bless you always. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sisi Koy. I love ya. Mwah.
Shout out mga lord, this is Tyron Loaded Vlogs on the mix. Basta bis daklami on jud lupig sila duta usog pa jud mo syagit. May nais lang po akong mabatiin mga idol. Ang ating kapatid na Lenny na mag-celebrate sa kanyang birthday. Lods Lenny, masaya ako na nakilala ka sa YT. Napaka-supportive mo talaga. Wish more birthdays to come, Lods. God gave you the most precious thing in life. Health, love, joy, and prosperity. And the most of everything, sana bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay at daming kaarawan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, idol. Enjoy your life because life is too short. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday. Thank you. Once again, happy birthday. God bless.
Yo, what's up everyone? This is Bagging Mix in the house and once again, this is Team Supportive guys. Ay, meron lang akong gustong batiin sa isang araw na ito. Walang iba kundi si Lenny Channel, ang ating nag-iisang kaibigan sa Team Supportive. Ayan, Langga. Happy birthday to you, Langga. Ayan, congratulations sa magiging darating na Grand LS mo. Ayan, nandito ang buong team para i-support ka. And once again, wish you all the best, most especially a good health. And salamat sa walang sawang support kay Bagging Mix at sa buong Team Supportive. Ayan, once again guys, this is Bagging Mix, ang nag-iisang ka-OY ng Team Supportive. Magsasabi sa inyo ng oh yeah.
Guys, this is Kahasang, January 11 official. Ayan, may babatiin na po tayo. Isang kaibigan natin sa mundo ng YT. Walang iba kundi si Lenny Channel. Ayan, kapatid na Lenny, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. At sana po'y mag-iingat ka lagi at sa buong pamilya mo. And dito lang buong supportive family. nakasupport sa iyo. Once again, this is John Marie 11 Official. Wish you happy birthday, Lenny Channel. Bye-bye.